So welcome back. Excited to introduce a full stack tours and travel agents template built on top of Next.js, Tailwind, among other interesting tools like React Query to handle our caching on the front end. So this is how our homepage looks like. You have all this, the login to manage your bookings. So the template is having the admin dashboard, the user dashboard. The template is having booking management. So everything is integrated into this template. You have the reviews, you have the wish list, as you are going to see. So stick together as we dive through these features in the template. So for those interested in the source code will be available at the end of the video, linked in the description. And those who want this fully customized for your tours and travel agents company, the link will also be linked below in the description. So this is how our homepage looks like. You have your destinations listed. On top here, you have your attractions also listed. So all this is straight coming from the database, meaning you can self-customize all these attractions. You can self-customize all these tours, not to mention but a few. So this is how the homepage looks like. You're having everything here. So this, you have the categories listed on top here. You have the trips page listed here. All these ones are self-customized from the database or from your backend. So these ones are all managed by the admin. So you have the base or what you are interested in simply in Uganda, the places to visit, everything here. So this is a fully customized travel and agents template. So you have the about us section or the about us page. So this is how it looks like. Guys, look at this. This is so nice, guys. So you can also grab this. So let me say you click on this tour guide, you'll be able to see his full information. So everything is fully customized. You have the login also integrated into the site. So you can either log in with Google or you can log in with your email. So everything is fully customized. You can see the detailed page for the tour is also available. So you can book this tour after clicking on it. Down here, you have your tour, book your tour now. You have your reviews. So each tour has an itinerary. So you can add your itinerary. So itinerary simply, these are the activities going to take place on that tour. So you are having all this coming straight from the database. You can add the review. So a user can add. So let me try to add here a review. I can give this a title. This is a great tour. This was having a nice experience. So you can add your review here. You can submit your review. So automatically after submitting your review, you'll see that here the total reviews of this tour has been increased. You can also add a booking. So here, let me say I want to book this tour on Friday the 13th, and on my booking reserves, I'm bringing 3 people. The selected time, let me say the tour is going to be at 11 a.m. I can insert my phone number here. So you can book this tour. So after booking your tour, you'll be redirected to the confirmation. So automatically you receive an email suggesting that you have successfully booked this tour. So when you check your email, automatically we used resend to notify you that you have successfully booked a tour onto our site. So all these ones are saved straight into the database. So let us log into, before we log in, you have the wish list. So you can add tours to your wish list. You can also remove. So automatically after you remove, it will be removed. You can share your wish list and you can clear all of this. So all this one is simply managed by the admin. Simply as I explained earlier, this is a full stack application built on top of Next.js, meaning it has both the front end and the back end. So that's simply how our front end looks like. You have all this, the search working as expected. Let me say you want to buy Mount Elgon, your searches will be you'll see that extremely what you have searched will be able to be allocated. So everything is simply nice and everything is simply fast, being that this site is using React query to handle the cache and everything. This is so nice, guys. So let us log into the admin dashboard and we take a look on how we can customize our front end, the front end that we have just seen. So I will log into the admin account and we see how this is going to happen. What is the password here? Can I make this visible? Yes. So let me try to log in to the admin account and I see if I can access the dashboard. So, oh, the credentials are wrong. Oh, so our credentials are wrong. I think the problem is the email. So this has to be admin and towards. So let us log into the admin dashboard as previously explained. So this is how the admin dashboard looks like. You're having the total revenue listed, you're having the total bookings and the active tours and total number of users listed onto your site. So you're having the status breaking down all your total bookings. So you can have pending bookings, you can have confirmed bookings. All of these are allocated. You have your line graph here. You're having everything. All these statistics are being recorded straight to the admin dashboard. So you can manage your total bookings or you can manage your bookings onto your site. So these are the total bookings that you have, the pending bookings, the confirmed bookings, and the total revenue that you have generated into this site. So you remember the other site that the other tour that I booked here, it is booked on the this booking is supposed to take place on the simply on the not Jan, yeah, Jan 13th, 2025. So you can update the status of this booking. It can be either you can confirm, you can complete, and you can cancel. So let us confirm this and we update this booking status. So automatically the confirmed booking will increase and the pending for the pending payment, so automatically after you receiving the money from your customers and you say this is paid, you see that our revenue here has to increase the revenue of that total of that tour that the user booked. So you have everything here. You have all these filters working. You can filter the tours of today, this week, the month, last month, and last year. So you can book everything. You have all your tours, the total bookings listed here. You can view and edit these bookings. So these are the bookings here, also listed here. So you have the tours here. So on this part is where you can edit, delete, and add new tours, which will be reflected to the front end. So automatically after coming here, so let me try to get here an image. Let me save this here. I'm going to use this image as an example. So after saving this, I'll save this here. Uh, you can add a new tour, you can delete a tour, everything is fully customized. So let me say I want to delete this tour, you just come here, say delete permanently. So automatically this tour will be deleted and will be removed from your tours listings. So let me try to add a new tour and we see if this will work as intended. So you see that it is now gone. So let me try to add. So this tour is called let me say agency tours. The price of this tour, let me say, is 4,000. So which category does this tour fall in? Let me say it is simply a city tour. So you can add a new tour. So automatically you see that everything is fully customized. So after creating your tour, you have to update information concerning your tour. So let me say I want to update the basic information of this tour. I'll come, select, add short description. So this is a short description. You can make this tour either a featured tour. So on the home page, you're having all your featured tours listed as previously explained. So I'll mark this as featured tour. So the destination, you can now here select destinations of your tours. So automatically after setting your destination, let me say Kampala, and you update the basic information, you see that the basic information of this tour has been updated successfully, and now this tour is a featured tour. So you can update the pricing. You can either add the maximum group of size that you want on this tour. So you can set, so the other maximum number of people who can book this tour will be limited to the number that you put here. So is this tour having a moderate, difficult? You can leave it at easy. So this level will depend on the activities that you are going to take, you're going to be doing on that tour. So you have the full description of this tour. You can add everything that you need, and you can customize these as you want. You can make this bold, everything like the way you interact with Word, everything is listed here. So you can add a tour itinerary, the things that you're going to do on each and every day. You can add a day. Let me say on day one, you're going to be arriving at Kampala. Description, you can leave this, but this is our arrival. Now here is when you add the activities that are going to be done on that day. So that day, let me say you're going to be swimming, you add a new activity. Let me say you're going to be dancing, you add that activity concerning that tour. So after you create the day, so you'll be adding automatically, they will be updated on that tour. So you'll be adding each and every itinerary that will be taking place on that tour on each and every day. So everything will be listed here. You can edit this, you can delete this itinerary, among others. So you can upload a maximum of 6 images to this tour. Let me say I want this image that I saved recently. So here I'm trying to update this tour information to make sure that it's simply nice and updateful and updating the user on what will happen on this tour. So let me update this. So after updating, have I updated the itinerary? Yes. The full description? Yes. The pricing, I didn't add anything here. You can also add if you want. So when you come back to the tours, you see that the Kajansi tours, when you refresh, you see that the Kajan Tours now is having the full customization as we previously inserted those details. So you can add attractions to your site. So this is all done by the admin. So we are in the admin dashboard. So all this is done by the admin. You're having all these attractions like the way we have done for the tours. You can add a new attraction, you can delete a new attraction, and you can edit one. So you have all your destinations also listed here, all of them here. As we saw, you have your total users also listed here, so you can add a new user to your site. Everything is fully customized. So you saw the other team on the about us. You can also add new members, delete new members. So these are like your tour guides. So you having the blogs, the blogs also are soon to be updated. So you have your wish list and you have the live link. So this is how the admin can fully customize his website or his front end. So let us try to log in to the user account, and we see if the things that the user can have access to. So when you log in here, I'm now using Google authentication because it is also having, you can use both credentials and Google authentication, anything that you want. So let me log into this account. So automatically after using the Google Auth, I'll be logged into the user account. So my account here, you're having all these stats listed. So you have the stars that you gave, the time, the total amount you spent, the completed tours that you spent on this tour on this site. So you have your total bookings. So you can also add a new booking here. All your bookings. So currently this user does not have any booking. So if I add a new booking, this user will automatically have his bookings here listed. You have your wish list and uh, your live your live site here. So you can see, guys, this is a fully customized site. This is wonderful, guys. This is nice. This is nice. So remember the other tour that I created, the Kajans tour. You see that it is now here. It has now been fully updated on the front end. So this is how, remember the destinations, you can also fully customize them. Let me say you want to visit the Burundi, you have your Burundi destination also here. So a destination can have multiple tours into it. say, let me say you want to visit Lake Victoria. You come here and you see, oh, this one does not have. I want to get a destination having, let me see, Kenya, having tours to it. Kenya also does not have. Let me see Uganda, and I see if we have, yeah, at least Uganda we have one tour. So you have the grid view and we have the carousel view. So this is all fully customized. So in this destination, the Uganda destination, you have your tours inside also here listed. So you can add this to your favorite. You can do everything that you want here. So let us visit the blogs page and we see. So this is how the blogs page. So the site is having blogs also integrated into it, making it SEO optimized, making it so fast. So this is how the blogs page looks like. So you're having everything. I want to go and visit the attractions page, and I see its detailed page. So this is the detailed page for the attraction. So each attraction can also have tours into it. Like here, you see that this attraction is having tours to it, the Goliath track in Burundi, everything, the Martian Falls, everything here. Now this one belongs to specific attraction. So this is a fully customized tours and travel agency template for the developers as previously explained. So here a client can visit if let me say you want to get some help, everything, you can come and click this and visit the WhatsApp, direct into the WhatsApp of the owner, and you'll be guided. So you're having everything here listed. So this is fully customized and template built on top of Next.js and React. So for anyone interested into the site, you will simply visit on the links below in the description and get this to be yours. Thank you.